Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your Twitch link to Roblox profile. So if you want to turn your Roblox profile into a Twitch promo page, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add your Twitch link so anyone who sees your profile can find your channel. So what you need to do is just open Roblox and then open your Roblox profile. You can just go to this more options in the left side menu, and in here just go to settings and tap on the account info. Now you can just scroll down until you find the social network sections and you'll find the Twitch option. So in here you can just type something or type or paste your Twitch profile. This is just an example. So this is, for example, twitch.tv. You can just write your channel's name in here, and after that you can just tap on save. And now anyone who visits your profile will see your Twitch channel's link. You can also add a link to your Roblox game descriptions or group pages for more visibility. So that's the fastest way to plug your Twitch to millions of Roblox players. Drop your Twitch in the comments, like if this helped, and subscribe for more creator tips. And I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!